That's all person I need to know. Find this shit.
Man.
Yeah, baby.
Woke up out that damn mud, man. Still gone from last night.
Watermill, baller, shot caller, 20-inch blade.
Hey YouTube, JT here. Today we're going to take a look at my SUREFIRE Tactical Lights. SUREFIRE was founded in 1979 by Dr. John Matthews, Dr. Peter Hawk, and Ed Reynolds. Initially, Dr. John Matthews, he had a PhD from Caltech, in 1969 created Newport Corporation. He saw the future in lasers and laser products for industrial application. And after 10 years of success, he decided to incorporate his company with his hobby and passion, which was shooting. So in '79, they created that company for laser sights. Initially, one for the Colt Trooper, then the Ruger Mini 14. In 1984, LAPD SWAT borrowed several shotguns with laser sights for the Olympic Games. He also started creating tactical lights around that time. The success and popularity of his product eventually ended with the name change to SUREFIRE. So this is my original 6P. Got this back in 1984. This is pretty much the same era. Early 90s, they changed the bezel, incorporated this hexagon shape in it. I guess with input from the consumer and law enforcement, they knew that if you drop it, it would roll away. Around 2003, I think, I got this SUREFIRE E2D Defender. This was the first time they started using this crenulated bezel. So you could use this as a impact device. This I got around 2005, I believe. SUREFIRE Commander, rechargeable. This material, they called it nitrilon. Uh, 2006, I got what I EDC now. It's 9P. I put the gg&g sawtooth end cap on it. Make it more devastating. This is my most recent purchase around that same time. So they incorporated the crenulated bezel with the 6P. So they call this a 6P Defender. This SUREFIRE Zytel holder. So, you know, they make rechargeable flashlights. I prefer the one running those lithium 123A batteries. And if you're gonna buy those batteries, it's best to buy it from a, you know, find a connection in a gun shop or a knife shop. Because I've seen these lithium batteries go as high as $7, $8 just for one. I get it from a gun shop. You can get it for like $2.51. So a box of 12 be about $30, you know, with tax. You get it from the SUREFIRE site. You can even get it for half that. So instead of $2.50 a battery, I think it was $1.25 a battery. You can also get these accessories from SUREFIRE. This case holds, you know, 6 O-ring, solid seal. And SUREFIRE is the biggest supplier of flashlights to the armed forces in the Middle East. Also, most of the SWAT units and United Kingdom's special forces. It's like I said in my other videos. Even in the daytime, you need a light source. You know, walk into a dark building. You never know. You gotta be prepared. Alright? Watch your 6. JT out.
To the side, big blue lens. Now what you talking about? Close your mind. As I sell law scores, free and shy. My similes and metaphors, man, doors. I constantly close all you hoes. Go on, take off your clothes, Lord.